こんにちは。Welcome back to my lesson. Today's topic is Pastime Expressions with Movement. In just about 5 minutes, you'll be able to talk when you went somewhere. You learn the essential expressions, practice speaking, and summarize the grammar points. This is a part of my online course, Master Speaking Japanese. Please see the description box below for more details. If you want to master speaking, please subscribe and set the bell. You'll gain confidence. Today, you will learn how to add pastime expressions into a sentence. In lesson 1, we studied ikimasu, kimasu, and kaerimasu. From lesson 2 to 5, non-specific time, days of the week, clock time, and frequency. So now you can say this. Shinto shrine is jinja. Try. Yes. 時々神社に行きます。Good memory. Today, pastime expressions. If you go to onsen, you say, Yes, 温泉に行きます。When you add yesterday, 昨日、温泉に行きました。Okay? Okay, let's learn pastime expressions. Today is 今日 and yesterday is 昨日 This week 今週 Last week 先週 This month 今月 Last month 先月 This year 今年 Last year 去年 Repeat after me 昨日昨日先週先週先月先月去年去年 Now let's practice. Last week 日本庭園 Japanese garden. Go! Yes. 先週日本庭園に行きました。Last month 博物館 Yes, 先月博物館に行きました。Last year 日本 Yes, 去年日本に行きました。Excellent! Now let's focus on the tense and the structures. This is a timeline. 今日 is present, then 行きます。明日 is future, also 行きます。昨日 is past, then 行きました。Interestingly, Japanese people see the time either past or non-past. Okay? So, 昨日、先週、先月、去年、take ました。Now let's practice yes/no question. Answer my question. 昨日会社に行きましたか？昨日会社に行きましたか？ If yes, はい、行きました。If not, いいえ、行きませんでした。Repeat after me. 行きませんでした。行きませんでした。Good! Next, open question 1. いつ Answer my question. いつ劇場に行きましたか？ Let's say last year. Yes, 去年行きました。Nice! Now, ask me. Yes, 新井先生はいつビーチに行きましたか？昨日行きました。Okay, open question 2. どこ Answer my question. 先月どこに行きましたか？ 先月どこに行きましたか？ Now your turn. Ask me. 先週どこに行きましたか？ And my answer is カフェに行きました。Okay, the lesson summary. What did you learn today? Yes, pastime expression plus destination に行きました、来ました、帰りました。And はい、行きました。And いいえ、行きませんでした。Now, do you want to be a better Japanese speaker? Learning Japanese is like learning football and guitar. The next step is lots of practice. Practice is essential. It's available from masterspeakingjapanese.com. Now, New Year present for you. Get my learning tips from araiacademy.com/free learning tips. See the description box below. In the next lesson, we'll move on to part 4, daily activities. So don't miss out and please subscribe and set the bell if you haven't. Thank you for learning my language. Let's keep going. Please click like and share if you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching my lesson. I'd love to see you on another video. Bye for now.